Hi, welcome to King Motors. You've clicked the link to our 2016 Kia Ceed CRDI 2. Nice little car, tons of spec on it, a really reliable, good little car. But I'll take you for a spin around and I'll show you bits and buttons and functions and features. Now, I just want to say, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe, as every car we have gets an ad like this. So it's be nice in-depth stuff and 4K quality. Other than that, we'll put a link in the description of the video, should you find it on YouTube or something, that will take you directly to the ad. And finally, I just want to put the price here as to what you can finance the car from through us, should you choose to. So here we are out driving the Kia Ceed, and the first thing you're struck by when you get into any of these things is how well built they are. Like, everything is designed well, everything you touch feels like it's high quality stuff. There's nothing squeaking, nothing rattles, nothing does anything like that in it. Like, it's a proper car. And years ago, just a side note, I used to sell the new Hyundai Accent, or they were at the time anyway, and they were nothing like these. They were a bit crap. Like, this is a proper car. This is as good as any Corolla or any of that kind of stuff in my mind now. And I never thought they'd get to this level. I thought they were going to be another Dacia or something, where they were quite compromised and they were cheap for a reason. But these things are not that now. They've really, really got themselves into the market properly. Like, spec-wise, you've everything you'd have in a Corolla. There's nothing missing here. Aircon, Bluetooth phone connectivity, cruise control, steering wheel functions, everything is here. But then the sort of main selling point for these fellas here, these cars come with 7 years of warranty from new, which is a vast amount of warranty. Like, it's huge. You get 2 years on a BMW or a Nissan or a Mercedes. So they're quite confident in their product. And it does two things. It means that the car, if you buy it off us and it's in good condition from the time you buy it, which it is, there's no reason for this car to be wanting anything mechanically, because someone else has been paying for it. There's no hidden anything. And that's a great thing. And then the other sort of side of it is, at the minute when public transport's not really a great option, again, going into the winter, you get a guaranteed cost of ownership for the car, as long as you don't set out to vandalize it, And there's a lot to be said for that. It's a great old machine. Anyway, I'll move on from the car there, and I'll just move on to us. We were one of the first ever second-hand dealers to be SIMI, and now we're an AA approved dealer, which would normally mean we can offer a big long warranty through the AA on this, which it doesn't need. But it means, for us, I kind of think it's a good feather in our cap in terms of the type of people we are and who we are, what sort of business we run, because the AA are very brand protective and they won't get into bed with anyone. And not everyone can, sell that warranty or claim to be an AA approved dealer. So it kind of speaks volumes for us, I think. So with that in mind, I'm going to wrap the video up there, and I just want to say thanks for watching. We do appreciate you taking the time to do it, and hopefully it showed you the car a bit better, the type of people we are, and really what you can expect when you come up to see us. So with that in mind, I'm going to say goodbye, and hopefully we get to see you soon.